If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Ford Explorer ST with front end collision damage. As you can see, the front bumper assembly is damaged, the bumper reinforcement, the grille, the radiator, the condenser. See, the radiator support is broken here. Headlight is broken. This is part of the radiator support. Aprons look good. Strut tower is in place. The engine starts, the vehicle drives. This headlight looks good. That intercooler needs to be replaced. Other than that, under the hood looks pretty good. It's a frame rail just swung over a little bit. You have some damage on this side too. The end of the frame rails. That radiator support right there. Lower support is damaged. Don't need many parts of the front end. This fender is good. The hood looks good. This fender has some damage, needs to be replaced. Being sold with a salvage title. Let's take a look at the back. Really nice builder. It's a very popular model of the ST. Take a look inside. As you can see, the interior is clean. You have a third row seat, panoramic roof. Let's take a look at the front. You have a knee airbag that's out. Seat airbag out. Forward driver bag that is out. Windshield looks good. Overall, good builder. Give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.